Hello everyone, I am back here with a new topic, that is today also I am going to explain about general topic which the women are facing commonly in daily schedule, right? All women सभी जब भी आपके बच्चों को जो भी खिलाते हो पहला आपका माइंड में आएगा कि क्या खिलाना है, कौन सा मंथ स्टार्ट करना है और कब खिलाना है, राइट? Whenever you start the weaning for the baby after 6 months, first you will get in a mind that what to feed and from which month to feed. This month whether I should feed fruit or not, this vegetable or not, right? So to solve all your questions, I am displaying or I am making this video to explain you all that in which month which fruit to give, which vegetable to give, and in which form you can give your babies or toddlers, so that you will get clear idea that when you should feed what items or what things or what diet you can feed your baby according to their digestive capacity. Moreover, this all schedule is only for mandatory purpose, that is you can feed this, but it's not compulsorily that you should feed these all items at the particular age of your babies. Again, it will differ from babies to babies. Some babies may get interest in sweets, some may get in sour, or some may get in spicy, right? Like that also in fruits also, some babies may have some fruit very interestingly and some babies will not show interest in some fruits. Again, it depends on your baby's nature and its interest. So don't force your baby, give the or create them with interest, that you should create the interest of that fruit in babies. Depends on you how you will feed and on which way you will feed and how you will divert the baby. Again, it depends on you, right? So see all these points, keep in mind, and then you can feed your baby. So we will see which month what to diet should be followed in coming slides. So okay, from birth till 6 months we will feed only exclusively breast milk. Okay, we should not feed anything, not even water if it is winter or rainy. In summer you can give small quantity of water, that too distilled water from the month of 4th month, but in rainy and winter seasons exclusively breast milk till 6 months. No any diet or weaning except breast milk till 6 months, remember. And after 6 months, because till 6 months only breast milk is sufficient for baby's nutrition, that only after 6 months only breast milk is not sufficient for baby's nutrition. After 6 months compulsorily you should start weaning or supplementary foods, but before 6 months it is contraindicated to feed anything except breast milk. Then later after 6 months, 6 to 8 months, what all you can feed? Fruit or vegetables. In which form? Puri form. Puri means you can boil and smash, or you can directly smash and give for the baby with cooking. Example, banana or avocado or potato, etc. These all you can smash and you can make some semi-solid type liquid and you can feed the baby from 6 to 8 months. But my advice here, rather than going directly for puree form in from breast milk, you can feed the semi-solid or liquid, semi-liquid type forms for first 15 days, like it may be rice water, dal water, or purely liquid ganji you can feed for first 15 to 1 month. Then you can start puris or vegetables, smashing them in a semi-solid forms. Okay, and from 8 to 10 months you can give smashed fruits and vegetables, where in 6 to 8 months you will give in semi-solid form. You can make it like a smashed form in 8 to 10 months, or if you are giving seri, or ragi or rice malt pedigree, then you can make them in thick form from 8 to 10 months. Then from 10 to 12 months you can give most foods in cut and small pieces form. Usually 10 to 12 months almost some 2 to 3 teething eruption will be formed in babies. So you can give fruits or vegetables in small pieces form. But rather than giving small pieces form, you can make the paste of fruits or vegetables and you can feed. And rice also you can make thick or thin paste and you can feed baby by adding milk or dal. So here it is a detailed chart in which month what all you can feed. That is from 6 to 12 months for babies in cereals, pulses and grains. In 6 to 8 months you can give sagudana, rice kheer, oats puri, mashed red and white beans. That only in 8 to 10 months you can give lentils, khichdi, suji kheer, rice kheer, etc. And in 10 to 12 months mashed chickpeas, oats, wheat and barley porridge you can feed. And dairy products in 6 to 8 months breast milk or formula milk you can feed. And in 8 to 10 months breast milk or formula milk, cheese you can give. And in 10 to 12 months breast milk or formula milk, cheese, yogurt you can feed. Coming for fruits in 6 to 8 months in porridge form, that is in puree form, banana, pears, apple, peach, mangoes you can feed. Coming for 8 to 10 months in the form of mashed plums, pumpkin, pears, grapes you can feed. And coming to 10 to 12 months you can give blueberries, cherries, figs, kiwi and mashed form you can feed, or in small pieces you can cut and give. Coming for vegetables in 6 to 8 months you can give in puree form carrot, potatoes and sweet potatoes. In 8 to 10 months you can give in mashed form like peas, corns, eggplant, kadu you can feed. And in 10 to 12 months spinach, cucumber, capsicum you can give in small cut pieces and you can cook them and give. Coming for meat and eggs in 6 to 8 months cooked egg yolk, boiled and mashed chicken, meat, fish you can give. In 8 to 10 months cooked egg yolk, boiled and mashed chicken, meat, fish you can feed. And coming for 10 to 12 months you can give cooked egg yolk, boiled chunks of chicken, meat, fish you can feed. Here another one advice of mine, that please avoid non-veg types of food in the month of 6 to 8 months, because it will be very heavy for digestion of a baby's gut still, so digestion capacity will be low. Most probably give only semi solids or semi liquids in the 6 to 8 months. Rather in coming months you can increase the thickness and you can go for diet. So we saw from 6 months till 6 months only exclusively breast milk. 6 to 12 months what all to feed in which month we saw. Now coming for next age, that is 1 to 3 years, which are also known as toddlers, right? Till 1 year the baby is known as infant, and 1 year to 3 years the baby is known as toddler. In toddlers what all you can feed every day, what all you can feed. Again I am repeating, this is only for mandatory, for classical purpose, that you can feed this, but not compulsorily you should feed all of these or so many servings only. Again it depends on your baby's nature and interest. Okay, according to those interest you can feed them. For coming for 1 to 3 years of age, every day what all you can offer is bread, grains and cereals. 6 to 10 of these you can feed. And coming for vegetables, 1 to 1.5 cup of any vegetables you can feed. And fruits, 1 to 1.5 cup of any of these fruits you can feed. And milk products, you can feed any 1 or 2 items. And protein food, 2 to 4 items you can feed every day. And fats, oils and sweets, most probably avoid sweets, fats, oily things in 1 to 3 years. Again same, the digestive power will be low, so it will be hard for digestion for the baby's gut, so most probably avoid this. And rather rest all you can feed according to the baby's interest, but try to include all these items, any one, at least any one item in baby's routine, daily routine, so that the all type of nutritions will be provided for the baby's body. Not if all, select according to your convenient and according to the baby's interest, and routinely try to add all types of nutritious diet in a baby's routine daily diet, so that baby will be healthy and active. Okay, next point will be, if I say not only me, it's again common question in every woman's mind, right? Okay, doctor said to give fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins in every daily routine life, but how much to give, when to give, right? So again here is a chart. You can say that for 2-year-old babies, fruits every day you can give 1 cup. For 3 years, 1 to 1.5 cup. And 4 to 5 years you can give 1 to 1.5 cup in daily routine life. Daily, I mean in daily routine of babies. And in 2 years, vegetables you can give 1 cup, and grains you can give 3 ounces, and protein foods 2 ounces, and dairy products 2 cups. And coming for 3 years, vegetables you can give 1 to 1.5 cup, and grains 4 to 5 ounce, and protein foods 3 to 4 ounce, and dairy products 2 cups. And 4 to 5 year babies, fruits 1 to 1.5 cup, and vegetables 1.5 to 2 cups, grains 4 to 5 ounce, and proteins 3 to 5 ounce, and dairy products 2.5 cups. Again coming for here, 1 cup is equals to what all you can add. Half cup fruit is equals to half cup smashed sliced or chopped fruits, or half cup 100% fruit juice, half medium banana, 4 to 5 large strawberries. These all is equals to half cup. And half cup of veggies means half cup smashed sliced and chopped vegetables, 1 cup raw leafy greens, half cup vegetable juice, and 1 small ear or corn. And 1 ounce of grains means 1 sliced bread, 1 cup ready to eat cereal flakes, half cup cooked rice or pasta, 1 tortilla or 6 across you can feed. 1 ounce of protein foods is equal to 1 ounce cooked meat, poultry or seafood, or 1 egg, or 1 tablespoon peanut butter, or half cup cooked beans or peas you can feed. And half cup of dairy products is equals to half cup milk, or 4 ounce yogurt, 3/4 ounce cheese, or 1 string of cheese. Any one of these is equals to the half cup of dairy products. Like this you can feed any one thing. Don't confuse, half cup means fully half cup you should feed. Like this, by counting you can feed your baby according to its nutritious diet, so that the baby's nutrition will be completed, so that baby will be healthy. So this was a small attempt to explain you all that in which age what all you can feed your baby, that is diet chart for the babies, according to their different months and different diet. Here I made a small attempt to explain you all in easy way. Hope you all got the topic, and if you're liking the way I am explaining and the topics I am explaining, then please subscribe and follow me. Thank you.